This is going to be an easy, healthy, quick and convenient, Amy's in the recipe here, healthy garlic pasta chicken recipe. Going to be really simple, like 3 core ingredients plus some seasonings. It takes like 10-15 minutes to make, and let's get into the video. Now you're going to see that I made an ass of it. I attempted to make a chicken parmesan. Now, it did not work out well. I could not get the sauce right. I tried like 3 times. And if I can't make a recipe simple and easy, then I'm not going to put it up. Because it should be simple, easy and efficient. So I have taken the chicken part and the pasta part and recycled it. Again, I don't want to waste the food and I don't want to waste good filming. So the ingredients for this recipe are going to be our cooked chicken, which is the Italian seasoned one, the pasta, and a simple pasta sauce with some garlic through it. Now, this is it. This is a Walmart's own one, but you can create a very simple and easy sauce with some chopped tomatoes, some salt and black pepper, some Italian seasoning, and some garlic puree. Really simple, really easy. That's all you need. You stir it in the exact same as you would stir in this sauce. I just have the pre-made one, so it's actually even easier. So there's pasta, there's chicken, and there's sauce. 3 ingredients. Really simple, let's get it. Now, I'll show you the clips and things and ignore the ingredients from the start. But I'll show you the clips from the Parmesan recipe that didn't go so well. This is the recipes for the chicken Alfredo. So I have some chicken breast here. I've got some low-fat milk. I've got some salt, some olive oil spray, some Italian seasoning, some black pepper. I have some pureed garlic, some shredded reduced fat mozzarella, self-raising flour, and my pasta. First things first, pasta's going to go on because it can just get put on and forgotten about, and get that out the way. And then I'm going to cut up my chicken breast, get it seasoned, and get it going in that pan. So, pasta is going on to boil. You're supposed to boil the water first. Honestly, I'm not overly fussed. There it's good to go. Pan is on high heat for the chicken. I have cut the waste away. This will need to go off to the side somehow. Amy hates when I leave the screenshot. But it's required. So, pan, I'm going to chicken. I'm going to wash my hands very quickly. And then we're going to season it. It's okay, you can pan over here, Amy. One thing, and I'll just give some value while I'm washing my hands. So, when it comes to meal prep, right, and this is what we talk about with our clients all the time, is humans are wild for convenience. We are human beings. I go for convenience option. So you need to make healthy eating the convenient option. Just give this a little bit of a stir around so it doesn't stick together. This will get 10 minutes and then it can just sit to the side. So you need to make convenience the healthy option. So I'm going to put some salt on here. Now you can buy all the individual spices. We are in America, so to be perfectly honest, I didn't want to buy 5 different spices, not to use any of them. So I just bought some Italian seasoning. So Italian seasoning on we go. I'm also going to put some, I don't know garlic, actually this is what my garlic paste is for. I've got this garlic paste. This is so cheap, so easy and convenient. It's not cheap, I was going to say cheap there, but it's really not. And I'm going to use some ground black pepper as well. And I'm going to stir this around until my chicken is cooked. I'll just use this. This will probably take anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes. I will turn it up quite high to start and then turn it down a little bit after a few minutes. But just get everything going. Give it a good spray. Give it a good spray beforehand with this olive oil. Sometimes I will even give it a little bit extra just to crisp it up, and just make sure seasonings are good to go. Don't worry about over seasoning your food, there is no such thing. So that's what's good to go here. I'm going to let this cook, and then I'm going to prep up the sauce and stuff like that in the next clip. But I'm going to give this 5 to 7 minutes. The pasta probably needs 7 to 10. I will cook that up, set these to the side, and then move on. So I have the chicken that I used from the other day, the Italian seasoned chicken, and just the pasta. I'm just going to combine it in a pan with this sauce. That is literally it. Simple recipe, and I'm just going to stir it around. I could do with a little more sauce. I have another jar in there, so I'm just going to move this around and get the pasta coated. Well, I hope I have another jar. I don't think we do we, Amy? Now that I think about it.
We do.
Okay, cool. So, I'm just going to move this around, heat the sauce. Now, if you want to make the sauce from scratch, this is just a roasted garlic and tomato pasta sauce. All you're looking out for on this is relatively low fat, so 1 gram, and relatively low sugars. So 4 grams isn't too bad. 50 calories per half cup, that's 113 grams. This container is, 680. So if you're probably going to get maybe 3 meals out of this. So that's about 100 calories per serving. That is not too bad. If you want to make this at home, all I would do is take some chopped tomatoes, some Italian seasoning, like I used in the first video. So some chopped tomatoes, some Italian seasoning. You'll see inside the cupboard here. Some Italian seasoning, probably some black pepper, a little bit of garlic. I would maybe use a garlic puree, and some salt. And mix that with some chopped tomatoes and you're good to go. And that'll be a perfect garlic, easy Italian pasta recipe. And all, as I said, as you see, literally all you need is 3 ingredients. This is going to get a few minutes to heat through and it's good to go. So I was just trying to make something out of nothing there. The chicken parmesan recipe went seriously wrong, but you can use the Italian chicken and the easy pasta formula along with the sauce to make a nice garlic tomato pasta recipe. Why not? Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment below. What would you like to see next? How can I help you? I want this channel to be about helping you, helping 9-to-5ers lose fat, boosting energy and getting the best shape of their life in less than 4 hours each week. So what do you need from me in order to help you achieve that? Let me know in the comments below and I'll see how I can help you best.